Let's do a second problem. I want you to turn to page 130, and we're going to work on exercise 2. Exercise 2. So, read the problem first. It says, at Prairie Elementary School, students are asked to pick their lunch ahead of time so the kitchen staff will know what to prepare. On Monday, 6 times as many students chose hamburgers as chose salads. The number of students who chose lasagna was 1/3 of the number of students who chose hamburgers. If 225 students ordered lunch, how many students chose each option if hamburger, salad, and lasagna were the only 3 options? Let's go back and decide which of those would be our 1. Which one does everything else key off of? And this says 6 times as many chose hamburgers as salads, and lasagna was 1/3 of hamburgers. I'm going to make salads my 1. And then if it's 6 times as many salads, this would be a 6. And then my lasagna, 1/3 of the number of students that chose hamburgers. So I would take 6 and divide it by 3. 1/3 of 6 would be 2. So now I can get my total. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Let's go back and assign our variable. I don't like S as a variable because it looks a lot like a 5. So I'm going to use the D, or I'll just use an A. A is for salad. So if this is a 1, and I have 1A, this would be 6A, and the 2 would be 2A. Add those up, 6A plus 2A, 9A. Need to go back, find the hard number in the problem. Looking through, I see 225 students ordered lunch. So that's my total, 225. So I can set up my equation. So when you're working on these, the table comes first, the equation comes second, and then you solve it algebraically. So let's take our equation. We have 6A plus A plus 2A equals 225. Well, we'd already added the A's up, so we have 9A equals 225. To solve that algebraically, divide both sides by 9, and A will equal 25. It's 25. 9 goes into 22 2 times, which is 18. There's 4. 9 goes into 45 5 times. Yep. So now I know my A is 25. I'll go ahead and box that in so you can see that better. So I'll go back to my table where I see just the single A, and I'm going to put in the 25. 2 times A, 50. 6 times A would be 150. So adding it all up, I'm going to do the easy. 150 plus 50 is 200, and 200 plus 25, 225. So I've drawn my table, assigned my variables, written my equation, solved my equation algebraically, and go back and find my totals. So 150 students chose hamburger, 25 chose salad, 50 chose lasagna, for a total of 225 students altogether.